Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Suvie kitchen robot cooker. Before you plug it in, make sure it's plugged into a GFCI. If you don't have one built into your plug, you can put one of those aftermarket ones that plug in there. After you plug it in, you need to turn the power switch on. The power switch is on the back corner right by the power cord. To get started, you need to connect to Wi-Fi. Now, I don't want this thing connected to Wi-Fi. I don't want it talking to computers or somewhere or servers. I don't want that. But you need to hook it to Wi-Fi to set it up. So we took one of the phones we had here. It's a spare phone. We use it for the drones. Made a Wi-Fi hotspot. And then did it that way. So as soon as the phone is off, this is no longer connected to Wi-Fi. Once you connect, it'll talk to the server, it'll download any updates, and then it will download meal recipes. Very simple, took less than 5 minutes, even with me bumbling through it without instructions. Really, the download time was less than 3 minutes. And bam, you're ready to cook. So what did I learn? Well, I learned a couple things. Number one, hooking it to your phone in a Wi-Fi hotspot is definitely better than hooking to Wi-Fi in your place because, like I said, security reasons. Number two, this isn't a touchscreen. You got to push the knob and button, and that's how you control it. Number three, this did not automatically set the time for me. The data is correct, but not the time. So in all of my videos, because I'm not going to set the time, I don't care. In all of my videos, you're going to see the wrong time on this thing. Maybe someday I'll set it, but who cares? All right, so it's that simple. Plug it in, turn it on, hook to Wi-Fi, download updates, download recipes, fill it up with water, and bam, you're ready to go. Really, it's that simple. I mean, if I can do it, then it has to be simple, right? So leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching. Now I'm going to do some cooking.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.